Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 72 K5 Blazer. It's a truck that we bought. The guy painted it, and he was just driving it. We did some finishing in the interior and stuff, and nice truck. There you can see it's got a few water spots on it. I need to wash it, but new grill shell, new grill, I'd say new bumper. I painted the whole truck. The hood looks good, no issues there. And there isn't any rust on the truck, come from western South Dakota. You can see gap probably isn't perfect there, but here's a chip there. Door's shut nice. Had rockers in it at one time. He lost the VIN tag, so I got a South Dakota one, but it's the same VIN as what's on the glove box that shows all the options. Redid the seats in houndstooth. Console, aftermarket AM/FM stereo, non-air truck. I think you can see it's got a new grill. First seat's been done, carpet's new, speaker system in the front and in the back there. Door panels are new, lower door panels are new, so new sill plates, seat belts. There aren't any seat belts for the rear seat. I haven't done anything there. Underneath is good on the just a single wall top, so you want to know. But like I said, he paints a good quality. I mean, above average, full-blown driver quality plus. You know, probably not a show truck, but we converted the rear hatch to the hydraulic cylinders. Like I said, it's got full carpet. That's the rear weather strip. We're getting the pieces painted for back here, so it'll have the rear weather strip on it too. Mud flaps, rally wheels, tires are in good, new basically. Like I said, there ain't any rust in the truck. That one chip I showed you on the driver's door is probably the worst spot. There's a little chip here where they put the lock cylinder in, so a flaw here and there, but actually really nice truck. I know these Broncos bring a lot of money, so they need to be really nice, but this one's definitely probably worth the money with everything been done to it. Runs and drives good. You'll see a video of both them also. So got any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.